In this video I'll show you how to change the bearings from a rear wheel. You take a hammer and you hit one side. The quick release goes in and comes out at the other end a little bit. With a screwdriver you can get it out more. Then you pull and it comes off. This one has to come off too. You put it to the side. On the other side of the wheel there's another one. This comes off. That one has to come out. Use a small pipe or the end of a small screwdriver and hit it. It comes off. Put that to a side as well. Now we're going to take the new ones. Put it in there. Again the hammer. The quick release. Put on the brake clock. Take the second new bearing and hit it again. Make sure the cuts are open, then it is in the correct way. This is how to replace the bearings from a rear wheel.